Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report on the Crusher Built GI46B. The GI46B tube is a relatively cost-effective tube. You can find them new old stock anywhere between $40 and $65 a piece. They're great little amps, work really good for some of this stuff like this, these 80-90 watt radios, all the way up to 125 PEP radios like your General HP 40s or Galaxy 94 HPs and so forth. Just make sure it's set up by a technician that's clean and mean. No amp likes harmonics. The parasitics will not like that. So we've got your fan here. You turn on first, then your filament. There's a 3-minute warm-up time. Then you can apply high voltage, and then there's your standby. And if you were to have it out of tune or you were to overdrive it, this little guy here will blow and you can replace it. Okay, you got your 2 input tunes here. Today I'm just going to demonstrate it with a Striker 955. You know, this one here is doing roughly 90-95 PEP, but I just want to kind of give you a general idea of what we're looking at here. Key it up here, 500 watt slug. So we're keying about 200 watts right there. And hello, about 400 bird, 1000 watt slug PEP. Hello, 900 watts PEP. And as you can see, it's clean and mean over there on the spectrum analyzer. And we still on a key there, no doubt. And there's what it's pulling for current. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. So there's still more in the tank on this, but I just wanted to show you what it's capable of, just loafing it along. Runs really cool, still room temperature. Runs on 110 of course. Most of these are built per order. Of course you gotta wait for transformers and all that as well. But if something you're interested in, just give me a shout at www.truckcbsales.com or email me at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.